Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Cooked with FLAVE, and today we are going to be making a very easy recipe. It is our salt and pepper shrimp. So if you are a shrimp lover, you're going to love this one. Stay tuned. Some salt and pepper shrimp. Super easy recipe, very quick, and I know you're gonna love this one. All right, for your ingredients, very simple, very basic. You will need cornstarch. You're gonna need jalapeños. If you're like a daredevil, by all means, go ahead and use some Scotch bonnet. You're gonna need black pepper, and you're gonna need salt. And I'll tell you the measurements in just a little bit. You will need shrimp, of course. Today I'm using these fresh shrimp from this seafood place that I discovered. It's close to my house. It's called Delaware. So if you guys are located in my area, I highly recommend that you check this out. For this recipe, you don't want to use the mini shrimp. You want to use the jumbo shrimp because you're gonna be frying these. All right. So I already deveined my shrimp. If you notice, I have I kept this. I didn't peel the shrimp just because I personally like when I'm biting into this shrimp that it gives me that crunch. Okay, so what I did was I poked a hole right here to the back of the shrimp to devein it, but I still kept the skin on. Okay, so it's deveined, and I cleaned it with lime juice. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna place my shrimp, and I'm gonna kind of layer it, because what you want to do now is get the cornstarch all over your shrimp. So here I have about a cup of cornstarch. And the goal is to get the cornstarch all over your shrimp, okay? Because this is what will give it that crisp, to make it really crunchy and really, really yummy. So what's new, guys? Talk to me. Tell me. Did you guys miss me? I missed you guys. I know I've been MIA. Man, I had so much going on. Good things though. Good things. Good things. So, how did you guys make it out in the pandemic? You know, what new skill did you guys pick up during the pandemic? Talk to me. Tell me. Tell me in the comment section, like, what did you do to keep yourself sane throughout this pandemic? I cooked, and I think I went really hard on my Instagram. I've been doing a lot more, and I kind of neglected YouTube a little bit, but you know, I'm slowly coming back. You know, I miss you guys. I miss recording my videos. So basically, like I said, what I'm doing is I'm just lathering this cornstarch all over the shrimp until we're all done. I have my oil heating over here. So from here, we're gonna go and fry these. And I am making a mess, but that's okay. And I use about a cup of cornstarch. Oh, by the way, I'm using, what's this? Like a pound of shrimp? I have a pound, actually, let me do this. So you see? I'm just gonna like dust it off. All right, so we're all done. Right now we're about to fry the shrimp, okay? We're frying these in vegetable oil. My oil right now is preheated to about number 6, so it's medium heat. And you don't want to fry your shrimp for too long. Right now these are the jumbo shrimps. I might fry them for about 5 minutes. So your frying time would determine the type of shrimp that you're frying. If they're smaller, then you know you probably want to fry them for about 3 minutes. Okay, just gonna allow them to fry. I'm gonna turn them in just a minute. And you'll feel that they're gonna be getting really hard and crispy, which is good. All right, so our shrimp is fried, it's crispy. Just allowing them to sit on this rack just for a little bit, just to drain most of the oil. Because right now we're about to add the black pepper and the salt with the jalapeños. And that's it, guys. Very, very simple recipe. All right, so what I did, guys, I changed pots. And I'm going to be adding in my black pepper and salt and also my shrimp. So I'm gonna allow that to heat just for a little bit. Right here, I have 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You just want to stir it and get it all in there. I changed the pots because I wanted something deeper so that my shrimp could, you know, move freely around in the pot. I don't like, that frying pan that I was using is good for frying, but I wanted to be able to do all of this without having to worry that they're gonna jump out of the pot. And then the final thing that we're gonna add to this, so 2 things, you can have it this way, just like this, or you can add some sugar at the end, some brown sugar, and I'm just gonna be going in with a teaspoon. that's it. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I hope you liked it. Like I said, if you're a shrimp lover, you're definitely gonna love this one. All right, the kids will love it. This will go good with maybe some French fries, you know, something like that. Maybe even some mashed potatoes. But forgive me, but I have to try this. Very good. Very good. Very good. Oh my God. Yes, tea. So good. All right. I'll catch y'all later, okay? I'm gonna dig into this.